Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Nursing Classrooms. Today we discuss about care of newborn. Let's go to the video. Introduction. First 20 days of life is called neonate. Newborn care is required for all neonates. It includes preventive, routine, transition and care of sick and small babies. Basic needs of newborn.
In the newborn care, there are several aspects need to be cared. However, the below four are often considered as basic needs: warmth, normal breathing, mother's milk, and prevention of infection. Next topic, immediate care of a normal newborn. Before going to normal newborn care, first we have to call the pediatrician and we have to ensure the delivery happens in a warm environment. As soon as the delivery, dry the baby with a warm, clean towel. Then wipe both eyes with a sterile swab. Once these are completed, we have to cut the umbilical cord. Before doing it, observe the baby's breathing for 1 minute, then clamp and cut the cord. While drying the baby, assess the breathing. Once we do all such vital steps, leave the baby between mother's breast. Cover the baby head with a cap. Cover the mother and the baby with a warm cloth. Place an identity label or band on the baby to easily identify the baby with the mothers. Last one, initiate the breastfeeding.
Purpose of immediate care of newborn. Maintain and support the respiration of newborn. Provide warmth to prevent hypothermia for baby. Ensure safety to prevent infection and injury for baby. Next one, identify action and potential problem that need immediate attention to the baby.
Next comes the APGAR score. Virginia Apgar introduced the APGAR score in 1952. It is nothing but a quick test performed at 1 and 5 minutes after birth to assess the baby's well-being. The 1 minute score aims to assess the baby tolerate the birthing process. The 5 minute score aims to assess the baby's doing outside the mother's womb. In some cases, the test will be done after 10 minutes. Let's see what is the test, how the score are given. There are 5 signs we need to assess for the APGAR score. There are activity, pulse, cremease, appearance and respiration. Based on newborn baby's response to this test, points are given 0 to 2 for all 5 signs. Let's see one by one. First in the list is activity. Whether the newborn baby is active or not. If there are no movement of arms and legs, the score is 0. If little flexion is noticed, this we can give the score is 1. If baby show active movement, their score is 2. Similarly, if the pulse is absent, the score is 0. If less than 100 beats per minute, score is 1. If it is more than 100 beats per minute, score is 2. Next, cremease. The cremease reflects how the newborn baby responds to touch or mild pinch. If no response or flaccid response, the score is 0. Some flexion of limbs, it is 1. If the baby actively responds, the score is 2. The fourth one is skin color. Normal skin color of newborn baby should be completely pink. If the skin color is blue or pale, the score is 0. If the baby is pink and extremities are blue, then it's 1. If the baby is fully pink, the score is 2. The final in the list is respiration. If the baby does not respirate, the score is 0. If slow respiration, it's 1. If the newborn baby actively breathes or crying, then it's full score 2. After completion of assessment, total all the score. How to interpret the score is shown here. 0 to 3, severe depression that needs immediate attention. 4 to 6, in moderate depression, probably we can wait for 5th minute of assessment. 7 to 10, baby's excellent condition. Let's see the APGAR score with a small example. In this case, except heart rate or activity, all other signs are moderate and get a score of 1. The total score of first minute is 6. The total score at fifth minute is 10. This indicates baby is improving or improved between first and fifth minutes.
Warm chain. The delivery room temperature is maintained 25 degrees Celsius. Dry the baby immediately. Cover the baby with clean dry cloth and keep the baby skin to skin contact with mother on chest or abdomen.
Postpone bathing or sponging for at least 6 hours or next day.
Cot care. When you go for cleaning cot, change the gloves or wash gloved hands. Put ties at 2 cm and 5 cm from the abdomen. Cut between the ties with a sterile instrument. If blood ooze, place a second tie between the skin and first tie. Do not apply any substance to the stump and nothing should be placed on it. If a stump is soiled, wash with clean water and dry with a clean towel. Keep the baby clothed and wrapped with it covered. Avoid bathing if baby is very small or cool environment. Keep the baby closely to the mother. Use Gangaru Care for stable lower bed babies and for rewarming the stable bigger babies. Remove blood or meconium by wiping with clean cloth. Educate the mother how to avoid hypothermia, how to recognize the baby condition, and how to rewarm a cold baby. The mother should aim to ensure that the baby's feet are warm to touch. Eye care and general assessment. Eye care. Both eyes should be gently wiped with a separate sterile swab soaked in warm sterile water. General assessment. Weigh the baby. Examine the baby head to foot. Give vitamin K according to baby weight. Monitoring the baby breathing. Listen for grunting. Look for chest indrawing or fast breathing. Check the baby temperature. Warm. Check if the baby's feet are cold to touch. Color. Evaluate the color of the trunk and extremities. Now we'll see vital statistics for newborn baby. Parameter average. Weight average 2.9 kg to 3 kg. Length 50 cm, that means 20 inches. Head circumference 33 to 35 cm, that means 13 to 13.7 inches. Chest circumference 31 to 33 cm or 2 cm less than head circumference. Abdominal circumference 31 to 33 cm. Vital signs for newborn baby. Temperature immediate after birth 36.5 to 37.2 degrees Celsius. Pulse 120 to 140 beats per minute. Respiration 30 to 50 breaths per minute. Blood pressure 80 to 46 mm per Hg. 10th day 100 to 50 mm per Hg.
Before closing, let's glimpse some of the expected questions from the chapter. One more question. When we call the baby as neonate? First 28 days. What is the normal temperature of a newborn baby? 36.5 to 37.2 degrees Celsius. What is the length of a newborn baby? 50 cm or 20 inches. What is the difference between chest circumference and head circumference? 2 cm less than head circumference. Where to cut the umbilical cord? 2 cm and 5 cm from the abdomen. Two more questions. APGAR score. Activity, pulse, grimace, appearance, respiration. Vital signs for normal newborn baby. Temperature, pulse, respiration, blood pressure. What are the basic needs for newborn baby? Warmth, normal breathing, mother's milk, and prevention of infection. 5 more questions. For 5 more questions, we see how to write answer to get maximum marks. Describe care of newborn baby. APGAR score. Describe care of newborn baby. First write the headings and highlight them. Then write points under each heading. APGAR score. history, who and when, definition, when this is to be taken, mention the timing 1 minute or 5 minutes, the sign and the score for each sign and criteria, total score and interpretation, probably one example.
Thank you for watching. If this is useful, please like and share your friends. Please subscribe Nursing Classroom channel.